Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you download Facebook Lite into your Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Play Store application. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store application, and after opening Play Store, you can see the search button into the top of the application. Simply click into there and search for Facebook Lite. Step 2. Select the application and install. Now after searching Facebook Lite, you can see this application at the top. Just simply click into that. And after clicking there, you can see this install button. Click into that and your installation will begin. And after a short processing, depending on your internet connection, the Facebook Lite will be installed into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the Quick Guide. Thank you for watching.